What kind of shit you up to? Right. I dropped his hat.
Can you guess what's in it?
Is it duck?
No.
Is it muskrat?
No.
I don't know, but it's like onion.
No.
No?
There's 3 main ingredients.
Yeah, well, it's coconut.
No.
No. No, what the hell's in this stuff? Frosty the slaw man. Well, I'm about to call the law man because this is bad.
It's Hellman's mayonnaise, cottage cheese, and coleslaw.
Hellman's what? Mayonnaise,
Cottage cheese,
cottage cheese.
coleslaw.
Yeah, that's great. A new man about to go out there in the snow with the rest of the snowmen.